We can also talk about significance. There are two kinds of these. The first one is statistical significance, whether the result you have from the study is significant in the statistical sense. What does that mean? So you have some result from the study. If the result is very unlikely to occur by chance, then we say it has statistical significance. Okay. It just cannot happen by pure randomness or chance. For example, if you toss a coin, this is just a coin. You don't know this is a fair coin or whether this is a loaded coin. So it could be a magic coin. You toss this coin 100 times. You keep flipping this coin and write down what you get from every toss. So you get heads and tails, and then you count. Now, if this is a fair coin, like the regular quarter, what do you expect? The number of heads and number of tails should be basically very similar, right? Maybe 50-50, maybe 48-52, maybe 51-49, or something like that. Because this is a fair coin, right? The probability or the chance to get either side, right, is equal. So 50 or 50 or something about that. That's what would happen by chance if the coin is fair. Now, suppose you toss this particular coin, and what you get is 95 heads and 5 tails. Okay? That's far away from 50-50. So this cannot happen by chance if the coin is fair. Right? You just cannot have 95 versus 5. That's just impossible. So in this sense, we say we have statistical significance. So this coin cannot be a fair one. It must be loaded. You get more chance to get heads than tails. So this one is unlikely. Then we say we have statistical significance. So something is going on here, right? It's not by pure randomness. Another kind of significance is practical one. The result is practically significant if the difference is large enough to be meaningful in real life. Here, the difference is between the result from pure randomness, pure chance, with the result from your real study. Okay, whatever you have from your study, does it have any meaningful useness in real life? If yes, then it has practical significance. If not, it doesn't have practical significance. So let me show you one example. ProCare Industry is a company once supplied a product called gender choice, so you can choose the gender of your baby. It claims that it will increase the chance for a certain gender that you want. So if you want a baby girl, then you use the product, then you're more likely to have a baby girl or a baby boy in the other way. But this product is banned by FDA because it's a gross deception of the consumer. So it's not useful. It's not good. Now let's look at some statistics here. Suppose there are 10,000 couples who want baby girls. So this is the number 10,000. And they use this product. And it turns out 5,200 baby girls versus 4,800 boys, baby boys. right? So now we can think about that. Out of 10,000, if we those couples do not use the product, then you should have 5,000 and 5,000, right? That's pretty much what we should have, 50-50. And that's girls, and that's boys. But after using the product, 5,200 and 4,800. Now, these two numbers are not close to 50-50. So in other words, just by pure chance for boys and girls, you cannot have 5,200 versus 4,800 if, excuse me, this is unlikely. Hold on 1 second, let me erase that. Unlikely just by chance. So by pure chance, maybe you could have 5,010 girls, right? And 4,990 boys. That's possible. But not like 5,200 versus 4,800 boys. So that's just impossible by pure chance. That means the result you have using the product has statistical significance. However, it doesn't really have practical significance, because the chance to have a baby girl goes from 50% to 52%. That's only a 2% increase. But you have to spend a lot of money, a lot of time, and go through some procedure to have this 2% increase. It's not worth it. And it's not really useful in practice. So in this case, even though we have statistical significance, there's no practical significance for this product.